going on, guys? This is Wild Goat here, and today I'm gonna be going over some trades that I think are valid or becoming valid into the market. So right now, these are all the positions I'm actually in. All these on the side here. I know you can see it's a lot of trades, but all of these are mostly in profit. This one is not set up yet, so some of these I am, some I'm not, but right now we're going to be going over PDD because I believe this one is about to be set up. First of all, if you can come over here and look right here, this is a shooting star, so it was a bullish bearish hammer, so bearish is going down. It looks like something like this. Something is, it's I didn't mean to fucking, hold on. Alright, so it looks, it's my first video, guys. Give me a break. Looks something like this. Alright, so it'd be like pointing down, just like it is right there. It's like a light little candlestick. Alright, so let me just get all this out of the way. What are we looking at right now? This was a trade from earlier this year, in like May. Took this all the way up here. So this trade is already over. So let me put this. We're looking for the sell-off now, and what we see as we're looking at the previous graph, because you know the market usually ends up doing the same thing it did in the past. If you guys didn't know that, that's some information to write down. So what we're looking for trend lines, and what we see is that the graph is making a W pattern, and right here when it goes to the all-time high it makes a V pattern. So what we can see here is the formation that already made the W from the past. Now the second thing we'd be looking for is the V pattern. So right here I'm going to look for a V pattern. We're seeing it come down. So what we can see for this, it's either going to hit this all-time high right here, the one up top, or it's going to hit this previous high. When it came down, it rejected, it came back up, rejected, and now it's either going to follow the trend and come right here, or we can see it follow the trend, longer path, and go a little bit higher than the previous high. And what we're going to see there is another V pattern. And then after a V pattern, what do we see in the past? What does it do? Right after the V pattern, it comes and tumbles down. And that was right before earnings. So when is the next earnings? Little long ways away. So we can see this come up, probably be a little longer than this. You can see it come up. We can either see a tank here, or we can see it come up here and tank all the way down. Now these are two different patterns we can see in this trend. So let me clear off this. Now if we take it from the Ikumochu standpoint, we're going to see this hit off a resistance right here. So it can either go through, break a new high, or it's going to come hit this resistance and come down. And it's going to crash, guys. So we're not looking to buy this at all. We're just looking to take a sell. And this is a more conservative sell up here. And then this is more, if you're like a beast in the market, you could take the sell. But I would wait. If it rejects, guys, take a sell like right here. Don't take it right at the point. Wait till the day ends and then take the sell the next day. Just like if it hits a new high, wait till the day ends because it could go bullish and keep trending up. So wait till the day ends, wait till you see another confirmation candlestick, and then take the sell. So that's PDD. That's all I'm going to go over. You don't want to look this. I'm looking at the 4 hours so you can see the next candlestick. You can't really see anything in the monthly. This is nothing. This is not enough data. With new stocks like these, you can't really see anything. We got the W pattern going on. So we can either see this hit like right here, get a sell off, or we can take it to an all new high, just like it did here. Came out. So this trade could either set up this week or in 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So, and that's with stocks. Just and this is the Wild Goat FX on Instagram. Check me out. And if you guys don't know how to use this, make sure you guys have a TradingView account just so you can look at stocks like this. It's so much easier to do it. It's got to fill this gap, so it's either gonna break above this, come down. It's gonna, if it comes down, guys, it's gonna fly and it's gonna fill this gap. So you're gonna see 26.18. These are gonna be looking for puts.